Hello students, in your maths book we have completed two chapters. Today we are going to start third chapter, that is large numbers. You have studied hundreds, thousands. Now if more digits are there, if more than 4 digits are there in a number, then how we name them? How we write the number names for them? So for this we discuss large numbers here. You know that 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number and 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. So what comes after 9999? If we add 1 in that, it will become 10,000. So 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number and 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. After 10,000, what comes? If we add plus 1 in 99,999, it will come 1 lakh or 100,000. See, having 5 zeros. 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number and 9,99,999 is the greatest 6-digit number. So, it is 10 lakh. If we add plus 1 in 9,99,999, then it will become 10 lakh or we call it 1 million. This is the smallest 7-digit number and 99,999 is the greatest 7-digit number. And after 10 lakh it comes 1 crore or 10 million. Now it is given 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number and 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999 is the greatest 8-digit numbers. Now how to expand these large numbers? How to do the expansion? We take the digit and the number of digit present after that particular number. We write down that much of zeros. Now look here. 4,678. So after 4, how many digits are there? 3. So we write down 3 zeros here. 600. After 6, how many digits? 2. So we write down 2 zeros here. Like this, in larger numbers, we do the expanded form. See, 32,681. If we have to write down the place value of 3, or we have to write down this number as expanded form. So what we do? After 3, number of digits 4. So we write down the number of zeros 4 here. Okay, like this we do the expanded form. Now look here. See, 3 crore 46 lakh 51,120. So how to expand this number, large number? After 3, how many zeros we will put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will put 7 zeros, then 6 0, then 5 0, and as the number is there, count the number of digits and then write down the number of zeros. Now the place value chart. How to do the expanded form and how to write the place value of a large number. Suppose any number is given. So how we divide that number? According to Indian system, first we count 1, 2, 3 digit, then put a comma, and after that after two numbers we put the comma. As we have studied also that from the right side we just start ones, tens, hundreds. This is one period. Then 1,000, 10,000. This is 1,000 period. Lakh, 10 lakh. This is lakh period. Then crore and 10 crore. This is crore period. So to write down this number, what we do? We just put the comma after 3 numbers, then 2 numbers and 2 numbers. So how we write it? 4 crore 53 lakh 21,987. Like this, we write down the large numbers in figures. Now come to exercise 3A. Question number 1. Write in the short form. It is given 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 2. So how we will write down 40,000 and 2,000? So 42,000. It is, we can write it like 42,000 comma 692. Okay. See, now count the number of zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 456, this is one period. 3,000 and 70,000, this is one period. 1 2 3 4 5, this is 8 lakh and this is 48 lakh. This is lakh period and this is crore period. So what, how we write? 2 crore 48 lakh 73,000 comma 456. We divide the numbers in periods and then we write it like this. Now move to this part, F part. It is 100 period, 1000 period is 0, and then this is 60,000. This is 1000 period. Now this is lakh period and this is 4 5 6. This is lakh period. So this is 93 lakh 60,725. Okay, like this we write down the short form. Now again, to write down the expanded form, what we do, see, 67,452. So 60,000 60 1 2 3, the number of zeros, plus 7,007 1 2 3 plus 400 plus 50 plus 2. Like this we will do all these parts. We'll look at the digit, count the number of digit after it, and according to that we will put the number of zeros and we will do the expanded form. Okay. Now question number 3, write in figures 50,627. Now it will come under 1000 place. 50,000. So 50, we will write down here 50,627. Now see, here it is only 7 crore. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. So in crores box we will write down 7, and after that in all the boxes we will write down 0, like this. Okay. Now see here, 34 lakh. So in 10 lakh place we will write down 34 lakh 19,545. 545. Like this we will do these questions. Now all the parts you have to do like this only. Now question number 4. Write in figures 37,458. So how we can write it? 37,000 comma 458. 52,035. 52,000. 100 place is not there, so we will put 0 and 35. 74 lakh 53,521. So 74 lakh 53,571. Like this we will write down the numbers. Okay, rest of the part of the exercise we will discuss later. Thank you.